Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Facebook using your laptop. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. Then they're gonna take you to the Facebook's homepage. Now there you have to look for create new account button and tap on it. Now you can see there's a sign up form. There you have to type in your first name, your last name, and other details like your mobile number or your email ID. You have to re-enter your email ID and make up a new password. Make sure the password is strong enough so that Facebook approves it. Then you have to select the date you were born in, like the year you were born in, the month, and the day. After that, you have to select your gender and type on sign up. After that, Facebook's gonna send you a verification email on your Gmail. There you have to select the link or the verification code, and the sign up process will end there. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Now give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.